Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you how to download YouTube. And you're going to say, well, it's easy, but some people don't know how. And as for computers, you just type in youtube.com, easy. But you want to download it and get to the app straight away. I'm going to show you how. So let's start. So first, we're going to type YouTube, as you'd always type on the search bar. It's going to load. Okay, after that, we're going to click on YouTube. Then it will take us to youtube.com. Yeah, so I've just put it on my YouTube channel, but so that you can see the homepage. I'll put it on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. But it's not the end yet. So I'm on this page. You should be on the homepage. Right then, you go on the three dots of your browser. Then you go down and press cast, save and share, or just hover on it, and then go on here, and then it says install page as an app. You press on that. Here you go. Install this page as an app, and then you press install. And then let it load. It's gonna open this in a app. There you go. You see, it's just an app. If you look at the taskbar, you can see YouTube. Look, there you go. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in another video.